110, Real-Life English Conversations. Chapter 5, At Home, and Household Tasks. Five point one, Talking about household chores and responsibilities. Conversation 1, Dividing household chores.
Do you usually do the cleaning at home?
Yes, I vacuum the floors and dust the furniture every weekend.
That's great. Who does the cooking?
My mom usually cooks, but I help with washing the dishes.
Conversation 2, Asking someone to do a chore.
Hey, can you take out the trash, please?
Sure. I'll do it in a minute.
Thanks. Also, don't forget to water the plants.
Got it. Anything else?
Nope, that's all for now.
Five point two, Asking for help at home. Conversation 3, Helping with cooking.
Mom, do you need any help with dinner?
Yes. Can you chop the vegetables?
Of course. What else should I do?
Set the table, please. Dinner will be ready soon.
Conversation 4, Fixing something at home.
Dad, the sink is leaking again.
Oh no. I'll check it now.
Do you need any help?
Can you hand me the wrench? That should do the trick.
Five point three, Inviting guests over. Conversation 5, Planning a get-together.
I'm having a small gathering this Saturday. Would you like to come?
That sounds fun. What time?
Around 6 p.m. We'll have dinner and play some games.
Awesome. I'll be there. Should I bring anything?
Maybe some snacks.
Conversation 6, Welcoming a guest.
Hey, welcome. Come on in.
Thanks. Your house looks amazing.
Thank you. Make yourself at home. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water would be great.
Five point four, Talking about home repairs and maintenance. Conversation 7, Calling a repair service.
Hello, my air conditioner isn't working. Can you send someone to fix it?
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
It won't turn on at all.
I see. We'll send a technician tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Conversation 8, Buying home essentials.
I need to buy some cleaning supplies. Do you want to come with me?
Sure. What do you need?
Dish soap, sponges, and some air fresheners.
Sounds good. Let's go to the supermarket.
5.5 Talking about home preferences and future plans. Conversation 9 Dream home.
What kind of house do you want in the future?
I'd love a big house with a garden and a swimming pool.
That sounds amazing. I prefer a small apartment in the city.
That's nice too. City life can be exciting.
Conversation 10 Moving to a new place.
I'm moving to a new apartment next month.
That's great. Where is it?
It's downtown, close to my office.
That's so convenient. Do you need help with packing?
Yes, that would be awesome.
Chapter summary and key phrases. I usually chore every time. Can you help me with task? I'm having a gathering this day. Would you like to come? My dream home would have feature. I need to buy home item for my house. See you at the next chapter. Chapter 6 Grocery shopping, asking for prices, discounts, shopping list. Please, subscribe to my channel if you find this useful and helpful.